You might know Rabobank mainly as the retail bank in the Netherlands, but we're also globally a food and agri player. And to show you the link between technology and food and agri, I'm going to play this short video. I am going to play this short video, am I not?
The world population is growing fast. Agricultural production needs to increase. This rising demand requires innovation in production and better access to financial services. With Rabobank Foundation, we contribute to growing a better world. We support innovations in data-driven technology and access to finance. Let us show you where this should lead to in the next years. Service providers such as cooperatives, trainers, and agri-entrepreneurs will deliver goods and services to farmers. Satellite data is used for this. Farmers receive text or voice messages with tailor-made advice and products based on this data. The service providers will also collect data from the field. Information is combined to monitor loans and build a data profile for each farmer. This information helps farmers to prove their capacities and creditworthiness and receive better financial services. More transparency leads to more efficient farmer organizations and supply chain. This smarter food system will be more productive, less wasteful, and more profitable for the farmers. How will we measure the impact of our support? Thanks to all the different data sources and the smart linking to a platform. It is easier for our partner cooperatives to follow their farmers. Big data and machine learning will provide additional insights. Rabobank Foundation will use this for better training, better financial services, and provide more detailed information to our partners and stakeholders. Innovation is a key driver for Rabobank Foundation. Together, we can grow a better world.
So now you've seen how Rabobank tries to marry growing a better world to actually also business goals. Because what this video didn't show, but what is also true, is that in Australia, in Brazil, in the US, we are gaining market share from Itaú or Wells Fargo or Commonwealth Bank, because we create more value for our customers, for our farmers. And farmers for you might be, your association might be with people on tractors on their way to the Malieveld. But for us, in the Netherlands and globally, these are high-tech companies. They are investing in IoT, in satellite images, in drones, all to increase their productivity. As Rabobank, we add to that the food and agri research team, the global digital platform called Global Farmers, and AI-based decisioning theory. And even well-performing farmers might increase their yield by 20 to 25%. We are also investing €1 billion ourselves in scale-ups in food and agri, and we're hosting Food Bites, which is a hackathon for agtech companies. And these are the initiatives that will feed the world in the decades to come. And it is a very healthy multi-billion-dollar market for the Rabobank. But let's turn to the Netherlands, because there also we marry financially healthy and socially responsible. We add 2,000 clients every week, but we also try to invest and help people in becoming and staying financially healthy. Financieel gezond leven. And technology makes all the difference here. Because people in the Netherlands, number 4 in the world, there's a 1.4 million people in the Netherlands that cannot make ends meet. And we provide them with a digital app that you all know, with more than 400 sales and services processes, and that help people simplify their lives. Last month we introduced transaction monitoring, and so now you can categorize and see where you spend it on. And we can forecast your cash balance in the 30 days to come. Now, that is marrying finance with social impact. How did I do it? 3 things. We went Agile DevOps, full. 30 departments running change, all the way to 400 different business DevOps teams. And the cooperation with the business has fundamentally improved. Second, it's all about leadership, like Sjoerd said. Because I believe in frontline teams, and we reduce the number of managers and therefore increase the span of control from 1 in 9 to 1 in 35. So now managers are no longer steering on the content, but they are supporting their teams. And thirdly, we went to massively invest in our engineering capability, in architecture, decommissioning all our legacy, but also in automation. 1 in 60 or 60% of my teams can go to production by the press of a button. And this engineering enthusiasm that raised is also helping me to get the 250 plus engineers. So, finally, 3.5 years in the job, Rabobank has a better, more modern, and certainly faster platform, and my team and myself have worked very hard to get the job done. And I'm very proud to be here with you this morning. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.